Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever tried updating or restarting your iPhone, only to find it suddenly stuck in recovery mode? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple ways to exit recovery mode on your iPhone without losing your data. First, press volume up, then volume down. Next, press the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once you see it, your iPhone will automatically recover. This simple method should be enough to fix the problem. If this doesn't solve the problem, try using iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Select the update option. It can use iOS recovery to repair your iPhone and usually ensures your data safety. However, this method may not work if the system problem is more serious. The third method is to use iPhone recovery. iPhone recovery can fix most iOS system problems, such as exiting recovery mode, black or white screens, or system freezes that prevent exiting. I found Gbyte very useful. The download link is in the description below. First, connect your iPhone to your computer and turn it on. Simply select the Exit Recovery option in recovery mode and press Enter. A single click will quickly restore your device. The whole process is quick, simple, and free, so you don't need to do any complicated steps. If the problem persists, you can still restore your iOS system using your iPhone. Go back to the home screen on your iPhone. Tap Restore, then select the Restore option. This mode is for fixing system issues, not erasing your data. Then tap Continue. Next, download the hardware kit. Once the download is complete, tap Start Restore mode. The process takes a few minutes, usually around 10 minutes. So keep your device connected and wait for the restore process to complete. Once the process is finished, your iPhone should be restored smoothly, just like usual, without any system vulnerabilities. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.